Well, imagine not being able to drink or cook with water coming from your own tap because it's not safe. That is the reality for dozens of homeowners on French Island, where environmental consultants say some private wells are contaminated. The affected homes are near the airport, and as News 8 Now's Amy DuPont explains tonight, there may be more.
The wells are contaminated with a man-made compound called PFAS. Now, PFAS has been used since the 1940s to produce products like nonstick cookware, stain-resistant fabrics, and firefighting foam. And firefighters at the la-crosse airport have been using that foam for years. It was required by the FAA because it works quickly to put out fuel fires. But once in the ground, it can spread through the soil and groundwater and into private wells. Now, PFAS is considered a forever chemical because it doesn't really break down and it's potent. The Wisconsin DNR says any more than 20 parts per trillion isn't safe. Now, that's equivalent to 20 drops of water in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. There is evidence that higher concentrations can lead to things like infertility, cancer, and thyroid disease. Now, the city of la-crosse detected PFAS in 2 city wells near the airport back in 2015. This fall, 5 years later, they tested 109 private wells. All but one had detectable levels of PFAS. 40 were above the DNR's proposed 20 parts per trillion safety standard, and a handful of those 40, well, they were well above that.
And then the purple or the dark blue areas are where the results were greater than 1,000. And the highest ones were in around 3,200.
Now, the city of la-crosse has already paid about $500,000 for the well tests they've done so far, and they've been providing homeowners with contaminated wells bottled water. Last week, a city committee approved another $25,000 to pay for more bottled water. But that is a short-term solution. Those homes will either need a special carbon filter or water piped in from the city of la-crosse. And the city's consultant today said that he didn't know if the city or homeowners would be responsible for the cost. And the 40 homes that need water could be the tip of the iceberg. The city is planning to expand testing and monitor another 50-plus wells. None or all or any number in between could have contaminated wells.